Happy Friday! Happy Friday. Okay, so today is Friday. You are going to do a few things in phonics. You're going to do a flip grid about idioms, a fun idiom. Okay, so have fun with that in your flip grid. You're going to watch a little video from Miss Ellis to remind you of what a good paragraph looks like. The reason it can't be one sentence is because it takes an introduction, details, a conclusion. So that's 3 sentences, but you're supposed to have at least 3 details. So get my hand in here. Introduction, 3 details, a conclusion. So that should be at least 5 sentences, right? Okay, so watch that. Answer that question because it asks what it takes to make a good paragraph. So that is from listen to the video and answer that question on that slide. Then you're going to open the next slide and you're going to write a paragraph. Now, we were getting ready to write about democracy. We're not. We're going to write about your mom, grandma, Aunt Sue, whoever you want to write, who is your mom person, which could be a grandma. It could be dad, it could be an aunt, some female that you love. Okay, and so go through the steps. You're not getting an edge elastic. You're going to make a document like we used to do in the classroom all the time. Okay, make a copy, make sure your name is at the top, start typing. Then you're going to attach that back. If we don't remember, share it with me. All right, then go to the next slide. I'm going to talk to you about the Spark, about how to make a video with that. Then this whole slide that you had last week about the videos, how to get in Spark, how to do the videos. Okay, guys, don't get overwhelmed by that. That slide, I know there's a whole lot on it, but take a deep breath, get into the Spark, pretend it's a video game where you're not afraid to push buttons and to try to figure it out. Okay, that's what I want you to do because this is for mom. There are so many creative things you can do in there. All right. If there's a place for a search, type Mother's Day and all sorts of fun pictures will show up. And anyway, so have fun with that. Share that back with me. And I'm going to put this stuff together somehow and make sure we get it to your mom at the end of next week. Okay. All right. I love you guys. I love you bunches. I want you to have fun today. I want you to, let me say this. There's another assignment in there that I need you to go to, the greatest show. I didn't make a video to go with it, the Evalue's Greatest Students. Do that. It doesn't have to be tomorrow. You're really going to have fun with that one. You're going to create a slide. So my class, it is in my class. For Miss Evans' class, yours is going to be, I assigned it under your Miss Evans math science, I think. Okay, so it's all going to go together for Evalue. Okay, all right, have a great day.